So this is our EE3 project. It's an RC car, and our car runs off of an H bridge, which has a radio transceiver going into a teensy here, and the controller part is run also by a teensy with a radio transmitter and two joysticks that the teensy translates the joystick signals into the transmitter, which sends over to the receiver, and the receiver here is fed into the teensy here, which then goes to the H bridge, which controls our motor. So for controlling it, we have two joysticks, each corresponding to each wheel. So left joystick controls the left wheel, right joystick controls the right wheel, and both going forward and with both going backward. So we have our car. Here's just a bit of what it can do.